Immobiliser fit, and this is a Lamborghini Hurican Performante, protected with a Halo Mini Immobiliser. So this is really simple to use. You start the car like normal, go for a code. We have a simple 1, 2, 3, 4 for the video. We receive that flash instantly, and we can select our gear and drive away. When we turn the vehicle off, we get a double flash confirmation to confirm the system's active, and if a thief grabbed this key, it's going to start up, but as soon as they go to drive away, pop it in gear, the vehicle switches off and dies. This also has a service mode. When you take it back for a service, you want it to become a normal vehicle. So how you do that, when you get to the vehicle, the system's active, you don't start it in this. So you'll keep your foot off the brake, tap the start button to get the ignition on, then you have to confirm it's you. And you hold the last button of your code for 15 seconds to put it into service mode, and it becomes a normal vehicle. So we keep it held. Once we get 5 flashes on the dash, we can let go of the button, and this becomes a normal car. So now you can just hand Lamborghini the key. You don't need to hand over your code. It just becomes a normal vehicle, like you haven't got an immobiliser on here. To turn it back on is the same process again. So foot off the brake, press the start button to get the ignition on, pop your code in and hold the last button again for 15 seconds. Keep it held, and you're waiting for 1 flash from the hazards. Once you've got that, your system's active again, and you can turn the vehicle off knowing it's secure. So we've got our flash, we'll turn it off. It's secure again, confirmed with a 2 flash activation. And now you've got it home, just make sure, so start it up, try drive away without putting your code in, and the vehicle switches off. So you know it's secure. Obviously the customer can set their own code on this between 3 and 21 presses in any order they choose on any supported buttons. To do that, keep your foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, pop your code in to prove it's you. Now the system's disarmed, press the accelerator 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get a double flash, it's ready for a code. So we'll just use the mirrors. So we'll go left, left, right, right. We'll turn the car off. We get 1 flash to confirm our new code. So now with that set, we'll start it up. Left, left, right, right. Receive our flash, select our gear. Our number's 0208 212 7393, and it's a Lamborghini Hurican protected with a Halo Mini Immobiliser. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.